Hello everyone, my name is Sami from ERP Hub. In this short video, I'll be explaining how to create and manage departments and teams on Zoho Desk. If you need to group your support agents based on a specific skill or function and assign them into teams, or if you have multiple departments that need a support inbox, then this short demonstration can help you structure your customer support system. Before we begin, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now let's get started. When you first log into Zoho Desk, it's important to understand and already know how you want your system to be configured and organized, because if you set up your system properly the first time, you won't have to constantly go back and make those changes to the system. That being said, there are two main things that we need to do before we can start using Zoho Desk. The first thing is creating departments. We already have a bunch of departments created in this trial account, but I'll be showing you how to do that, and I'll be showing you how to add teams and manage your users in the system. To create a new department on Zoho Desk, click on the settings icon on the top right, and under General, click on Departments. Here you can see all of the departments that are active in our system, and if you click on here, you can see all of the departments that have been created but are inactive at the current moment. Now, if I wanted to create a new department, I would simply click on this blue button here and fill out any of the necessary details. So I may need a department for my marketing team, so I'll do that. You can go in and add a display name, what you want to be shown here. You can add a logo, and you can also add agents to that specific department. And once you're done, you can just simply click on the Configure Channels button, and that will create your channel for you. We just learned how to create a new department when you first log into Zoho Desk, and now I'll be showing you how you can create teams under those departments and how you can manage and add agents under those teams. First, click on the setup icon on the top right, and under Users and Control, select Teams. It's important to know when agents are organized into teams, it becomes easier to provide targeted training and onboarding, along with more efficient workload distribution. There's a ton of benefits to organizing your teams in the system. So first, when you access this page, there is a drop-down here. You can see all the departments that are in your system. Let's say I wanted to create a team under my sales department. I would select that, and then you would come over here and select New Team. Start off by naming your team, and you can go in and add a description, and then at the end, you just have to add your agents. So let's say I want to create a new team for my sales closing. You can go in and add a description, add your agents, and once you click on Save, you simply created your team and you're ready to start allocating your work to that team. Thank you for watching this short demonstration. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. And if you want to explore Zoho Desk, click on the link in the description for a free trial. We'll see you next time.